Tirshur Puram, it's only a festival which should not have been. Why- Who is heading the government? It is for him to tell us who are these people who have disturbed. Why we should speculate? Is it the job of the government, or his job is to just to ask questions? Government cannot keep asking questions. Government has to give the answers. So we have a right to know who are the people, which are the groups and individuals who are indulging in anti-national activities. What action has been taken against them? And if he is now saying about the Tirshur Puram, I will say the same thing. He should tell us what action he has taken against the miscreants.
They ordered an investigation.
It is for the. I will ask the Chief Minister to supply the information. How can I order direct investigation? I am very concerned about the allegation of phone tapping. I have written to him more than 10 days back. He has not replied as yet. I am more concerned about the new revelation which he made, that the money, the proceeds from the smuggling of gold is being used for anti-national and anti-state activities. I am more disturbed by that. And I take exception to the fact that why he has kept me in dark about it. Anti-national activities is too serious a subject. Why he has not shared information with me? And since when he knows about these anti-national activities, what action the government has taken against those who are indulging in anti-national activities? And if you are saying, I am not saying, I do not know. You are saying about the Tirshur Puram. What he has said. Will you confirm what he has said about Tirshur?
He said that officials failed to manage the Tirshur Puram.
Failed to manage. Then the question one will ask is, what action have you taken against them? The job of the Chief Minister is not to speak to the press. That, in fact, he should speak to the press after he has taken action, the corrective action after he has taken. So it appears that a serious situation is developing in the state. We do not know since when these national, anti-national. Do we have any idea, any one of us, who are these people who are involved in anti-national activities? Do you have any idea? No? Chief Minister knows, and he is not telling us. So these people may take advantage of our ignorance. It is his duty to tell us who are these people who are involved in anti-national activities. This is a serious matter. Job of the government is not to raise questions in the media. Job of the government is to take action against the miscreants and also inform the people that these are the people who are working against the nation, who are working against the state. Therefore, they should be. How they can take anybody's ignorance because we do not know. So they can take advantage of that ignorance. So this is a very serious matter. I have written to the Chief Minister today to furnish me detailed report. And I have specifically asked who are these people and groups who are involved in anti-national activities. What action government has taken against them? I want this report to reach me at the earliest. Along with the earlier letter where I had asked what action government has taken in the matter of phone tapping. So I will wait for few days. According to me, this indicates that I do not know how to tell. This is a very serious situation developing in the state. It seems that the government has abdicated its duties. Suppose they know about this smuggling. As Chief Minister said in his press conference on September 21st, now he is saying that the money which comes from gold smuggling is being used for anti-national activities. And in his press conference, 21st September, he has given figures for last 3 years. It means anti-national activities, at least for last 3 years, have been going on. Don't you think it is a serious matter?
Another controversy going on in Kerala, the ADGP needs the answer.
These are not important things. The important thing is every Keralite has a right to know, every Indian has a right to know what kind of anti-national activities are being pursued here. That is more important. Thank you very much.